Okay.
Yeah,
So no.
Okay.
What I heard was, this is a while ago, what I heard was that when I was hearing about cooking with cannabis, I used to watch some of the shows and stuff. What I was learning is that it's not the actual food itself, like the chicken itself that's infused. It's like whatever sauce you put on top of it. Or if you have like a gummy, it's the sugar that's actually infused, not the candy itself.
We're gonna
so it's kind of sounding familiar a little bit from watching shows.
So if I wanted to, all I have to do is pour this over the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's it. And that infuses it. Now I can take this over here. I can take more than this, but I can take this because it's already been in the oil. I've already dehydrated and do this. I make seasonings out of that. I don't give it to the chickens or the pigs or whatever. I don't have pigs. But I'm just saying I can infuse it that way and then I can warm it up. I can't go no higher than 350. That's why they were making brownies back in the day.
Because they cook brownies lower.
Yes. Okay. So I got this for you, and I'm going to give whoever gets this some hemp so y'all can practice. So this is a cake mix. Well, a pancake mix. How would I infuse it? How will I infuse that?
Put it in the syrup.
I'm going to get you to pour the butter for me.
You want me to give her a brush to brush it?
I couldn't find my brush. Let's see if I can find it. I love to look. Maybe I'm wrong. I looked for it. Oh, here's one. Here's one. Okay. So I'm going to get you to infuse that one, and then we're going to put some rosemary. Go ahead and get the rosemary herb and pour some on there. Okay.
$3 a bottle.
Okay. How are we going to infuse cake mix?
Say it.
I'm scared.
Say it.
Okay, I would put it in the batter and cook my pancakes low.
Put it in the batter and cook it. That's what you do. Do you have to decarb it? No.
No?
No.
Why not?
Because it's
already because the heat. Because it's gonna either go because of the heat.
Oh.
Because you
got
can
it.
heat it up with alcohol, heat,
Yeah.
or
Uh-huh.
Got you? Okay, cool.
See, there was no reason to be afraid.
Got it.
Got it.
Cool, yeah.
Got it.
So-
Whereas I took the easy out. I was like, put it in the maple
I'm gonna
syrup.
give you some hemp. You might have some. Now, you know what keef
All
is?
right, I want
you know
some
what
pumpkin
keef
spice
is?
hemp pancakes.
So this is keef. And then we got some little bags so you can put some hemp in there for you. So this is keef. Keef is the crystals on the plant. They're already activated. Already activated. You don't have to do anything. It costs more money at a dispensary, but I get my stuff from the Amish Mennonite.
Wow. Amish out here.
Girl, looks like I've been buying hemp for them for 3 years. Okay, look. So let's say I wanted to put the keef on this chicken. I go in here. The keef is stronger too. I just pour it on here, put some oil, and then put it in the oven. Because this is already. If you wanted herb tea, all you do is take some of this out, put it one up there for somebody to take home. Not you.
Out, no, not me.
That goes in the wine.
What you been doing?
I'm gonna do it.
No,
Take
okay.
everything?
I was ready for the wine.
I'm just waiting for her.
It's ready.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, the wine. What do y'all think about the wine?
I love it.
Okay, I'm still on the raspberry.
This is my favorite one right here.
I love that one.
Cranberry, rosemary, hemp infused simple syrup. Okay. So to make the mulled wine, which is this right here, and you can heat it or not heat it. So I have the hemp buds in there, of course, and then I have an orange, washed orange, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, anise.
Yes.
anise. And then
Anise.
red wine.
Spice.
Red wine.
Similar.
And let it sit for 3 weeks. You see the bud?
Uh-huh.
You put cinnamon
3
sticks in
weeks.
there.
And then 3 weeks.
Next
This is
Christmas.
the
Next
hemp
Christmas.
already.
Weeks, right? Goodness, man.
So I started about October teaching, so I started making them in October. Now I got a white one over there we can taste, but it don't have all that in it. It just got the hemp in it.
And you can sit that, you can sit it in a dark.
Dark.
Okay.
And because this has alcohol, you don't have to be hard the hemp before you put it.
Exactly.
Okay.
We learn.
Curly, do it this one.
Y'all want to taste the white wine?
Yes, man.
Please.
Bring them on.
I told somebody not to
Get
eat.
rid of this one. This one I came for. I ain't come to eat. I came to drink.
You just found out this morning.
Tincture.
No, I knew you were coming last night, but
Tincture. It's just a.
You
she
know,
called me while I'm just chilling. Ambush.
And you drink it. Well, you drink the tincture too.
Come on,
Dose
son.
it.
Come on here.
So she went and got a white wine and then she just infused it. I can do that. I can do that. I could have given that for
Watch
Christmas
this over her
present
face.
to my mother.
Look at sit on the bed.
I got one on.
Smoke.
Here we go.
Go ahead.
I was knocked out last night, but we kept it in the water.
Okay.
I ate the thing.
Any other questions? Any other questions?
About 5 minutes.
The syrup.
The syrup. This is red wine. I'm off on the red wine. Cranberry, but I use the whole cranberry. But if you want to be lazy and use cranberry juice,
Okay.
but I boiled the cranberry whole. Okay.
In water.
In water. We're gonna add rosemary and oranges, orange peels,
What's up, Shallow?
ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg. I'm thinking, and
And then let me know.
And then I put the hemp in there, but I put the hemp that has already been decarb and butter and
Did you
oil.
say nutmeg?
And all those ingredients here.
Right.
Boil
I
them,
got orange
cranberries.
peels, ginger,
And sugar.
nutmeg.
Anise, cinnamon,
Cinnamon.
ginger.
I got ginger. And what else?
Do you use the skin of the ginger or the
I don't know what I'm
actual
gonna do.
ginger?
I don't peel nothing.
Okay.
So what?
Ginger, rosemary.
Nutmeg, anise, cinnamon.
So basically the same flavor.
Except for the cloves. There was no cloves in there.
It was closed in this.
In the simple syrup.
Oh.
That hemp is you can take it.
Oh, yeah, sure.
And you can
A
use
rolling station over here.
you can mix
Oh,
it.
that's what's I mean, but when the.
You want relaxation, or you want some for the lunch,
Yeah.
or taste.
Oh, it's a melon. Are you kidding?
So do you,
You can smoke mullen. Most people
I make a
smoke
syrup.
mullen when they get
Yeah.
pneumonia and stuff. Thank you.
That's crazy how you can smoke it.
You rolled that?
I make a syrup.
It was it was rolled already. He did it for me.
You got it good?
Uh-huh.
Diesel powered one, or you get, partial like ours.
Oh,
Or you just run around with it.
They're under there. They're under there. The baggies are underneath there.
Whenever you need some little power, just crank it on up.
You don't have to have a power to do
This is like an old man.
it. You just drag that out.
Did you know, well, lettuce in it. And see what color it is.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how much
for a while.
yeah.
Yes.
I did this this summer.
Oh, really?
No.
Okay, that's good. That's
So we're gonna make a vanilla flavor. Oh, so like if I wanted to infuse, you know how they infuse gummies actually? They don't make them from scratch. They take gummies like
And
this.
soak them.
You soak them.
Yeah.
By putting,
We'll take the
that's it.
No, you actually use
And then
it.
let it dry.
Butter. You're amazing.
So, why don't you make your own?
Thank you.
So this is what happened to me this week. So I poured off that much and put it in my kombucha, and I tripped for 6 hours because mine had THC in it.
Oh yeah.
You think you tripped?
Oh yeah.
I
Oh yeah.
was like,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Right. It just, you can make gummies.
So that's all they do. That's all they do, and then they let it air dry.
Resin. But if you want to do the easy way, just infuse
You want it?
liquor and then pour it over your gummies.
Mommy did say hemp.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if I had
I made it.
if I had a cannabis plant, I could do the
Wow.
same thing.
Wow, do not need to be talking to you.
How long?
Dry.
I've done it
Dry it
both
out?
ways.
You gotta dry it.
Do we need to decarb it first before we put it in?
No,
How'd you
alcohol.
do it?
Look what happened. Look what
I put it in
color.
a glass there.
That was pure alcohol, and
So,
it just strips everything down.
So when I dry it out, what do I put it dry in the oven for a
Which
while?
one did you like?
On the lowest setting.
For how long?
No, the plant. Now he's talking about taking the plant.
Plant the
Yeah.
THC.
Growing it.
Which basically that is a
You
tincture.
gotta hang it.
Right.
What she has is a tincture.
You
Right.
gotta hang it.
So all she would
I don't
have
know
to do
how
is
long.
make some
That never
gel
grown.
Okay.
I don't have to
and
grow
pour
it.
it in there.
As long as the
Like when it's
Amish
time to
people
set.
have some.
Yeah.
I used to get it from the farmers, but now I
Do you want to
forget
blend?
that. I
Do
need
you want me to
cheaper
make you a
from
baggie of a
farmers.
blend
Better prices over there.
with the herb?
Yeah, well, usually I'm doing this.
I got 20 cabbages for $10.
Oh, right,
No, it's in there. Because I'm ready to
Just for
see how many
health.
cabbages it's going to take
Wow.
to put in there. So, yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
so
y'all
you want me to
ready?
make you a
We're
mix?
gonna. I got some
While you guys are doing that, you want me to make you a baggie mix to take home?
Hey, I got.
A baggie mix, like of a
I
blend
got.
to take home?
I got.
Yeah. Do you want? I'm mixing mine with a little bit of everything over there. Do you want
Right.
that?
Yeah.
It's fine. I'm just gonna put on here what I have. My balloon.
Okay.
I'm excited.
So, I need the buds in a second. I just put them in the refrigerator. No, there they are right there. Maybe I have more buds in them. I was thinking about y'all could take this one right here and fly back with it.
She said long word.
That's what I was thinking.
That was long word.
Longwort,
We're just gonna put 2 buds in each one.
Mullen and hemp.
So that was yours.
Everywhere.
Good tea.
Oh, hemp is legal in all 50 states. Marijuana, the cousin, is not. So here, like in Colorado, they want me when I'm teaching to say cannabis.
You can say
But when I say cannabis here, they think I'm talking about something else. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Wow.
So many goodies.
And your daughter.
yes. Yara,
So, what flavor would you want with your vanilla?
Yara over here.
Just leave it like it with
I would.
a cinnamon, or you want nothing? Pumpkin pie spice. That'd be me.
Because smoking would be bad for your lungs, but that did not hurt at all. Usually I am coughing profusely,
It opens it
and
up.
that just helped. I've been dealing with crud since I've been back working in the schools, and that was so smooth and relaxing. So I didn't know about that, the smoking the mullein.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm going to do
what else
the
did you learn?
mulled wine. That is going to be a holiday
That's my
menu.
signature.
I like
That's
that.
my signature.
That seems warm and inviting. I like that recipe.
I've had people. We're licensed through the state to grow in the greenhouse, and I've had the inspector come over here and call me before he gets here, and then he gets here and he says, "I want breakfast," and he goes, "You have any more of that wine?" Because he's a hemp inspector too. And I'm like, yeah, hold on. I have to start that one in October too. So.
Yes,
That's really
that.
because you can do it hot or cold.
Yes.
So, I've done it both ways.
I like
How
it.
do
It's got that.
inspections go like for hemp specifically? Because
I'm not a hemp.
You're not
I don't grow hemp. I don't have to.
gotcha.
But he's the greenhouse inspector. So, otherwise, you tell him the state where, if you grow on hemp, where your hemp is going to be, how many square foot, and then the airplanes will fly over, and then he'll come out and inspect.
Wow.
You can grow in your balcony and all, but you got to tell them it's 10 by 10, you know, and it's on outside here, right there. So when the airplanes fly over, they can find it. Okay.
Wow. That's a lot.
Juan, what'd you learn today?
I learned that if you start your day out,
Baby, don't say that silly.
if you start your day out with some nice THC and you just want to level out real good, come to Carol's party.
Y'all should have been here when the hemp farmers were here. You would bless their hearts. You know, they grow the hemp. I went out to Tennessee State University, and at Tennessee State University, the ag department has a whole hemp department, and so they've called me to write on the grant and everything like it is.